Hello, this is Christine. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Scrap and Rabbit. I finished working on a mini album over the weekend, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I'd say it's a mini album, but it's not really mini. It's a large album. It measures 7¼ inches across, almost 7¼ by 9 inches high. And it's about 3¼ inches thick, so it's got quite a large spine on it. I followed a tutorial by Evelyn, and she has an Etsy shop called Lynn's Art Treasures, and she sells her tutorial there, so I'll include a link to it if anybody's interested in purchasing it. This tutorial was so easy to follow, and I think the results are spectacular. It's not hard to make. The instructions come in written as well as video, so you can follow along with both or do one or the other. But I'm really happy with the way this turned out, so I thought I'll show it to you. She also made some albums based on this tutorial on her YouTube channel. It's called Art Bee, and I'll include a link to that as well if you want to see some of her albums that she made. So this is a hard cover made with chipboard. The tutorial shows how to make the chipboard covers and attach the pages and all that. So I used a beautiful paper pad. I wanted to make a wedding album, and I went to Michael's, and I wasn't really happy with the wedding themed papers. They were all like maybe white gold, but very, very bland, and I wanted something a bit more colorful. And I found this paper. It's called Sweet Ambrosia, and this is by Recollections, and I bought it on sale with a 45% off coupon. So it's worthwhile using the coupons. And really, really pretty paper pad, and I thought, well, this would work for a wedding too. Or actually any special occasion would be suited to this album. On the front, I've got some bling, and this is actually acrylic, and I bought rolls of this at my dollar store, and it's really pretty, I find, and I just glued that to the cover. And then I have a little heart that I die cut, and I put a little flower and some acrylic beads on here. And on the side I made a lollipop flower with some wedding satin, and I stitched in some little pearls, and I made a chunky charm with a bunch of beads, and it has a little heart on the bottom, and I've got ribbon there. And then on the back, again, I wanted to make this wedding themed, so I've got hearts on the paper on the back, and again some more of that bling. So I'll open the album. I think I'll move the camera back a little bit. That way you can see both sides when I open up the album. So here's the inside. It's got 2 sections, and it's an accordion style album. So each section is tied with a ribbon. I put a little bit of bling on the side where the ribbons attach on the covers. And I used some wedding applique with beads on it to decorate the inside covers. And that was from a vintage wedding dress. So I'm going to open the left side. I've got some tags in the pocket. And then this is accordion, so you can either open it all out, or you can just open it one page at a time. So here's the inside. I've got a pocket. I've put some bling on there, and this is expandable, so you can put a bunch of photos in there. And the pocket measures over 4 by 6 inches, so you could put a bunch of 4 by 6 photos in there. And then here I have a little tag that slides behind this heart, and I've got a larger tag here, and there's also a ribbon on the back, so you could always just attach it like that if you like, if you prefer. And then on this side, this is a little heart that's die cut, and she shows how to make this. I think this is really cute. There's a little heart, and you can journal on the back, and you can put a photo there. And I put some acetate on top here, so that slides in here. Then I have a tag on the side, and this is open, so you can slide something in here. I put just a little tag on there. I really like the pretty pictures of the birds in this paper collection. And here again, you could slide something behind there. I put some bling here, and on these two cards, the back is plain just for journaling, or you could always add some more pictures there if you wanted to. I didn't want to put too much thickness on each photo mat so that there's room for inserting lots of photos, although there is a 1/4 inch gusset, so it will accommodate a lot of thickness. And then up here I have another photo mat and just this little fold out. It's tucked in there. So that's it for the inside. Now I'm going to switch back and open it this way. And I have some bling here, and these are 2 panels that open. This is held closed with a magnet, like that. And then I've got some tags in here. And this says memories. I've got 2 more tags in here. And then you can write a title here, and then 2 more long tags. So this is a super interactive album, which I love. And here is a vertical waterfall. So there's a lot of room for photos. And then that's it for this side. I'm going to move over to the other side. Now this section here is plain, but I added this little tag, and with this you could actually just stick it inside the middle if you like, and then write down the date of the event or notes or whatnot. So I thought that would be kind of a good idea to have something to write on, and it just embellishes the middle, or it could just be left plain like that. This is a very pretty paper as well. On the right side, again, I've got the beautiful wedding applique, and here's 3 more tags, or 2 more photo mats and 1 tag. And I'll start this direction here. I have an envelope, and it's held closed with a magnet. And again, this is expanding, so you could put some photos in there. And here under the belly band, I've got this flap that opens like that. I think in the tutorial it was a 3-part flap. I just made it 2 parts. And I put some bling across the band. So I didn't put too many embellishments in here because I didn't want to overpower the paper. It's so pretty. So here's another flap, and I've got 2 tags in here, or 2 photo mats. And then there's a large pocket on the side. And here we've got some fold outs, and there's a little tag in here, so you could put a photo there and here, and then I've got the little tag, and this one opens in this direction. So I'm going to close it again, and now I'm going to do the other side. Here I've got 2 flaps, so you could put photos here if you like. So there's room for a large photo here. And here's Another waterfall. So I hope you like it. I'm going to list this in my Etsy shop if anybody is interested in purchasing it. And also, like I said, I'll include in the description of the video the links to the tutorial. Have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye.